Hello, TikTok. In the light of everything that's going on right now, I actually wanted to make this video. I am in need of a lawyer and all that to try to file lawsuits and everything like that against the company that I worked for in 2014, where I got hurt, had 2 surgeries, and all that. Lawyers I had wasn't the best and everything because a lot of people didn't want to go to against the big company I worked for. So they actually passed the statute of limitation because the business I worked for refused all medical treatment and everything for a year and a half, almost 2 years. And the statute of limitation on that was 2 years. I wanted to bring that up and all that in the light of everything that's going on, just like with this charge that just happened with Trump and all that from allegations from 29 years ago. Yeah. Statute of limitation on it was what? 5, 10. They raised it to 20, and they didn't include and everything like that anything from way back when, so they had to redo it again just to kind of include Trump because it's New York. What do you expect and everything like that? They have to do everything they can and all that to try to stop Trump. That's what most of them ran on, and 80% of the people in New York vote Democrat. So it's an easy way to get things just pushed through. The thing that they actually passed and everything was empower survivors of sexual offenses that occurred when they were over the age of 18 to file suit regardless of when abuse occurred. 1 year look back window begins 6 months from signing. So, I mean, it was where there was a statute of limitation. There's a statute of limitation on everything. Everybody has to abide by that and everything, I guess, except the Democrats and questionable DAs and judges and things like that. Because, they can throw out the rule book whenever they want to meet their agenda. I mean, just like this hearing and all that, they've called 11 witnesses in defense of this lady making these allegations. It's like 11 witnesses. What they was right there? They noticed it? Oh, no, they didn't. They wasn't right there. She told them about it and everything, and they was just repeating what she told them. I mean, is this how our justice system is? You can make any claim, any accusation at all, and then just call a bunch of witnesses and everything that you told what happened. That's not witnesses. That's not factual. You told them what happened. You told them what to say. It's like telling a family member and everything like that, hey, say this and everything like that to help me out in court. And then she gets $5 million because somebody she hired came up with this number and everything like that of damages to herself because Trump said that it wasn't true. So now we're in a state and everything like that if you're accused of something, you can't refuse it. You just have to roll over and everything. Say, yep, just kick me while I'm down. I can't say nothing because I don't want to get sued for defamation. So the actual trial was a rape trial. Didn't happen. Even the heavy-based Dem support jury kind of looked at it like, there's no grounds for charging him with rape. So it was mainly for defamation. So literally and everything like that, the Democrats are creating charges that they can charge Trump with. Hey, we're going to bring in here over and over and over and over and over again for these bogus BS hearings, and we're going to make you incriminate yourself. And then they want to yell and scream, oh, well, he never came and stuck up for himself. Well, yeah, he already said he didn't do it. His testimony and everything was leaked multiple times. Wonder why. And, what else could he say? I didn't do it. I don't even know her. Well, what evidence did they charge him on? Well, it happened 29 years ago, so no evidence. It was strictly her word against Trump's words with no evidence of nothing, way past the statute of limitation again, which falls in line with everything the Dems are doing. And it just goes to show the double standard. And I say double standard for this simple reason. Everybody knows Andrew Cuomo, right? And the 11 allegations against him. I mean, the man resigned for sexual allegations against him, right? 11. So does that mean that everybody that alleged allegations against him can sue Andrew Cuomo now and get justice? Because there's plenty of evidence on that. And this is recent, within the last years. Okay, but all right, so 11 allegations against Cuomo. You know, you'd think he probably got charged a couple times since New York is so for sexual abuse victims, right? The last of 5 criminal investigations into allegations of sexual misconduct against former Governor Andrew M. Cuomo ended on Monday with the Oswego County District Attorney joining his peers and concluding that there were insufficient legal grounds to bring criminal charges. Wait a second. You mean it's a double standard of justice in this country? Who would have thought that they only push shit through on people that are their political opponents during an election against a presidential candidate? This, once again, is election interference, election meddling, and the Democrats need to be removed from this, and all the corrupt justices, judges, DAs, all the people that are doing this stuff need to be removed and jailed.